southern end of the bridge were spikes, where the heads of traitors and criminals were put on display for everyone entering the city to see.
Nos acercamos al London Bridge por el Támesis.
Is a low-rise building with a row of arches along the riverfront. This is the old Billingsgate Market, the site of London's main fish market for many centuries, until it finally moved out of the city in 1982. If you look at the two weather vanes on either end of the roof, you might be able to see that they are two golden fish. Ahead of us is an impressive view with the Tower of London to the left, Tower Bridge arching across the river, and on our right, HMS Belfast, a famous World War II cruiser. She's now permanently moored here and is open as a museum. During the war, she took part in the D-Day landings in France, later served in the Korean War. Her formidable 6-inch guns have a range of 22 kilometers.
El barco de la guerra. Y el London Bridge.
Beyond the Belfast, still on our right-hand side, is the glass, almost egg-shaped building of the Greater London Assembly, home of the Mayor of London. It was designed by the architect Lord Norman Foster, whose work you will have seen today, the Millennium Footbridge we passed under a few minutes ago. Tower Bridge is another of London's
Ahí el City Hall,
landmarks.
el London Bridge
Towers and turrets
y
were
el
designed
London
to
Tower.
harmonise with the much more ancient Tower of London close by. The bridge was also designed so that the roadway could lift up like two arms to allow tall ships to sail through, something that still happens today. As we approach the pier, please remain seated until we are stopped. Getting off here, remember to take all your belongings with you, and to return your commentary receivers and headsets to the crew. These don't work if they're taken off the boat. If you want to join one of our sailings later today, simply check the timetable of the pier. We hope you enjoyed your city cruise. Hope to see you
Muy
again
chulo.
soon.